clarinets. Today we're going to work on Blizzard Blues. So let's get started. We're going to play through the whole thing first and then chunk it up and find out where the problem areas are. All right, let's get started. Blizzard Blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12. So the first 12 measures, we're just going to be counting, so I'm not going to do that again, but you can practice with the beginning of this video. Let's start at 13 and go from 13 to 25 and count and clap it first. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's actually say the letters for clarinet. Here we go, set. F, F, E, E, F, F. F, F, E, E, F, F. B flat, A, A, B flat. F, F, E, E, F, F. A, A, G, G, A, B flat, A, A, B flat, F, F, E, E, F, F. We're going to play it. Here we go, 13. We're going to start, let's see, 35, 34, 33. We're going to do 33 to 49 because this is where we play, okay? So we have 8 measures of rest again, and that's pretty much percussion and low brass. So let's start at 31. This is 4 measures before 37. So here we go. 6, 35, 34, 33. 33, measure 33. Count and clap. To 49. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, same pattern. 1, 2, 3, and we go. At 33, we're gonna say the letters. F, G, A, G, F, E. F, G, A, G, F, 2, 3, 4. F, F, E, E, F, F. F, F, E, E, F, F. B flat, A, A, B flat, B flat. F, F, E, E, F, F. A, G, G, A, B flat, A, A, B. F, E, E, F, F. This time we're gonna play it. Here we go. We're gonna clap and just clap, basically 49. 2, ready, clap. 2, 4, 2, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, ready, and start. Okay, so then we're gonna play this last part. Let's see, 60, 59, 58, 57. We're going to play 57 to the end, and actually we're going to count and clap at first, so let's do that. Here we go. 1, rest, 3, rest, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. All right, this time we're gonna say the letters. Letters, here we go. D, C, D, 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 F, Now we're gonna play it. Here we go. Make sure that you're looking all the way through Blizzard Blues and practice at least 30 minutes a day. And I look forward to hearing you either play in class or online. Bye, guys.